The productivity module was the first module that we installed. Financially, it paid for the rest of the modules in the first 90 days. It allowed us to put all three teams on the same page very quickly.
With Redzone, we now have full transparency. Somebody walks in and they can quickly pick up their iPad and they can see exactly what happened.
It doesn't take till the end of the day to know if you're winning or losing in Redzone. You know in real time just by glancing up at the TV screen.
I was worried when we rolled out Redzone that people were going to receive it well, but it was going to take a while to get buy-in. We rolled it out and people were asking how quickly could they have it on their lines? How could they get more involved?
3-4 years ago, calculate numbers, but we didn't know if it is a good day or it's a bad day. Now we have actually the numbers.
And it's now to the point where some of my major customers that have come in for a couple of trials, they even, hey, get on your iPad and see if they're running yet. Can you talk to the line quick, ask them what's going on? And so they even know the capabilities of Redzone.
It created a culture where everybody has a voice now.
Supervisors will give them a high five in the chat and they feel better that they have accomplished something and someone actually recognizes it.
And so from a cultural piece, now more information coming from operators, coming from supervisors, coming from people who are in it day in and day out. And that's because of Redzone, it's because of the system that's there. Just the ease of communication and being able to quickly document what is happening has been a huge win for us.
And the best thing is that we are working as a team.
It all kind of ended up working together to go from a place that had 400% turnover to a place that has 75 to 80% turnover in a market that's at essentially 0% unemployment. We have one of the lowest unemployments in the country.
We were also facing a rising minimum wage from $9 to $15 an hour over the course of 4 years. So the module gave us the visibility to what was going on the floor. We achieved millions in savings. We were able to stay cost neutral on that change.
But I think the compliance module was the real big turning stone for us because it took away a lot of paperwork and just redundancy, and all of a sudden we simplified and made it much easier for the leads, and now the leads were able to spend less time filling out paperwork. They were able to spend more time working with their people or more time training on the line so that they could run the machines and run the equipment.
When we launched Redzone, it made my job in quality so much easier. Machine operators don't mind talking to quality about issues anymore.
As you know, we get audited regularly. Our customers will audit us, the various regulatory authorities that come in and audit us, and we get raving reviews.
Once we started seeing results, the buy-in took no time.
Well, it's been tremendous, 48%.
We've seen a 14% cost reduction compared to last year.
Mariana got a 50% productivity uplift in the first 90 days, and it changed our company. But we went from working 6 days a week, 10 hours a day, to working 4 days a week, 10 hours a day.
We saw a 20-point improvement throughout the Redzone implementation.
I don't view Redzone as a software anymore. It supports our business process. It's just part of what we do. I really couldn't imagine running a manufacturing organization without it.